Hello everyone, I'm Judy, your property host, and we're here in San Juan City at the Hoover Townhouse. So this is the ready for occupancy unit. Let's check inside. So this property is a four-story house and lot. Here we have the receiving area that have a lot of cabinets. At the same time, this house and lot or the property or units here have two interior design. This one that we're checking right now, this is their oriental interior design. So here on the second floor, let's check first the kitchen area. So here you can design or put your dining furnitures. All of the cabinets at the same time, our stove is already included. Here is the pantry. The cabinets installed are already included in our total contract price. At the same time, all the lighting fixtures are also included. Here is the common powder room. And then here is their living area. Now you'll see this inverter 2 horsepower air condition is also included. They also have the balcony here. You'll see the high ceiling living area. Now let's check our third floor. Now their stairs are made out of wood and their grills here is made out of glass. So for our third floor, we have two separate uh, rooms. This room can fit up to a queen size bed that also have like a walk-in closet and their toilet and bath. Next to our second room. This is their second room. The second room has a balcony of its own. It also have their it also has their walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Now let's proceed to the fourth floor or the last floor where you'll find two bedrooms again. One is the third bedroom. This third bedroom has the same features just like the other bedrooms at the third floor. Have their toilet and bath. And then here you'll find in the fourth floor their master's bedroom. The master's bedroom have their huge walk-in closet, at the same time their own toilet and bath. The interesting part here is they can have their own pantry. Sometimes the clients wants to have like their own laundry area. And of course, our master's bedroom have their own balcony as well. Pause. Now, additional info about this property, aside from their Oriental interior design, they also have their European interior design. Now, for all the inclusions of this property, aside from the lighting fixtures, they also have, of course, their air condition. At the same time, in the kitchen area, they have the gas stove. And we will also check downstairs their maid's room and the carport. Pause. Pause. Sige. They also have their smart feature or smart lock door for all the units here in the Hoover Townhouse. Aside from that, you'll see here behind me is one of their amenities. You'll see the swimming pool at the same time, their compact playground for your kids. And you'll see here in the roads, they have like a two-way road so that everyone who have cars will have their accessible or right of way here on the Hoover Townhouse. Now let's check their garage. Here you can fit up to 4 cars. And of course, you'll see here at the back your small garden. So for our inner units, you get your backyards. But at the same time, when you have, uh, if you want like a bigger garden, we can offer you our end units, which has a lot more area or space for your garden. Now, you have here the service area. For all our units, you get to have your own water tank. And here, you'll find their maid's room. Pause. Here you have the maid's room. So they have their own toilet and bath. Pause. Now, for more details about this property or site viewing, just message us through our smart number, Viber, WhatsApp, 0919-996-3820. Again, this is Judy, your property host, and see you